I'm Sai Sri, working as a functional English and life skill trainer, Government Tribal Welfare Ashrama High School, Golagamudi, Venkatachalam Mandal, Nellore District. Hello students, greetings of the day. How are you? Okay. Today I'm going to present a topic, time management and organizing self. Okay. What is the name of the topic, children? Time management and organizing self. What is time? Time is the most precious thing of this planet. Time is money, but no money can return your time. That means you can make money, but you can't make time. Okay? What is time management? Time management refers to managing time effectively so that the right time is allocated to right activity. That means time management is a process of planning and controlling how much time you to spend on the specific activities. To use the right rules. We have to use in different ways. Especially time management is very important for the students because a student has to accept the right time to study. Again, many of the students have to work differently in addition to education. As a result, students cannot do anything at the right time. Then, introduction of time management. Children, actually, time is a trend for which we can use the right time. If you can use the time management in the right way, then we can save a lot of time. Make a list of what you will do every day. Suppose when you wake up in the morning, when you have to breakfast, how long do you do when to finish? You set the time for going to school or college and how long to takes your reach. Set the time for lunch and finish that meal at the right time. When you return home from work, from school or college, when you spend time for family, the time you pray. When you do homework, when you eat dinner and go to sleep. Again, just how long you will sleep. This is the daily work of a person, all of these tasks at different times. That is time management, right? Then time for everything. It means you cannot do all things at the same time, or you can't do different things at the same time. Everything has got its own time, children. Children, just you have to be patient for what you are doing. Take time to work. It is a price of success. Take time to think. It is a source of power. Take time to play. It is a source of youth. Take time to read. It is a source of wisdom. Take time to love it. It is a privilege of God's. Take time to serve. It is a purpose of life. Take time to laugh. It is a music of soul. Okay? Then why do we need time management? Good time management allows you have to the save time to reduce stress, to function effectively, um, to have to more control over our job responsibilities, which leads to time or career success. Which benefit of time management improves another aspect of your life. Okay, children. Then how to lose your time? By talking with friends, talking telephone, daydreaming, watching television, sleeping, listening to music, drop in visitors, reading, playing sports, games or hobbies, doing household chores, partying and goofing around, snaking and eating, hanging outs, procrastinating, or worrying. Then, what is the benefit of time management? Children, there are several benefits of time management, such as stress relief, more time, more opportunities. What is the first one? Stress relief, more time, more opportunities. We have to see that stress relief. What is stress relief? If you complete your work on time, then you no need to feel any type of stress, children. You have to complete your work on time, then you no need to feel any type of stress. If you manage time effectively, then no need to stress will be there. Okay. Then more time. Good time management gives you extra time to spend in your daily life. If you work with concentration, then you no need to spend on more time at the particular work, right? Then more opportunities. You have to see the picture. More opportunities. More opportunities will come if you know manage time perfectly. Management time will leads to more opportunities and less time wasted on tribal activities. Okay. Then coming to the tips of time management, tips of effective time management. After considering the benefits of time management, let's look at the same way to manage time effectively. First one, select, set goals correctly and prioritize wisely, set the time limit and take the breaks between tasks, organizing yourself, remove non essential tasks, plan ahead, learn to say no. Then, first one, set the goals. Set the goals or correctly. Set the goals are achievable or measurable. Use the SMART method. SMART. We have see the board. SMART. Smart method when the setting goal. S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, and A stands for attainable, R stands for relevant, and T stands for timely. Once again, I repeat that: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. Children, remind your mind, make your goals specific and concrete, and don't be vague. Setting a goal helps you to be alert, which leads to be perfect. Okay. Then prioritize wisely. Prioritize task based on importance and urgency. Third one, set a time limit to complete task. Setting time constraints for completing task helps you be more focused and efficient. Then take a break between tasks. When doing a lot of tasks without a break, it is harder to stay focused on the motivated. And fifth one is organizing yourself. Organizing yourself means getting organized is a second function of time management. Time management must organizing all its resources in order to implement of course of action. Then remove non-essential activities. Remove non-essential activities frees up more of your time to be spent on genuinely important things. Then plan ahead. Make sure you start every day with a clear idea of what you need to do, what needs you get done that day. Go ahead and write your to-do list for the next work day right now. Next, Learn to say no, it's very important. Turn off your cell phones and beeper when someone asks you to do something that you really don't have time to do. Say no politely but firmly. Okay. I think this is a great proverb said Vivekananda, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Okay, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Finally, conclusion of our topic, it is not a big thing that you are a man of any profession. The big thing is that you can do exactly what you do, because if you do not anything at the right time, you will not succeed. So you should choose the time management for this. Finally, children, if timing goes out, it doesn't return. What is that? If time goes out, it doesn't return. We waste time unnecessarily, but we do not use it well. So we have failed a lot. If you want to overcome the failure, we have to choose the time management. If you work hard, the results will be much better. Promises that the whole life will be alive with the time management, so that children, you can achieve this success after one success. Children, so that your life is so beautiful. Okay. Children, I hope this explanation make you to understand the topic time management and organizing self. Then we are going to a wonderful activity like that, paper boards. Then I will give some instructions about the activity ma. Divide the participant into teams 4 or 5 members each to elect or select a team leader. Okay. Then take all team leaders out of training hall and explain them how to make paper boards to make sure they understand how each person build their own board, which the small square piece of paper you give them. Okay. I'm giving you 4 sheets of paper. They are all in rectangular shape. Okay. Which shape? Rectangular shape. To build 40 boards, all the same size, and all must stand or should not sink flat when the activity is over. You must think. You must remember that right now. Quality, I think shape, finishing, appearance, and quality, and 40 boards both is very important. In this activity, children, time frame is 50 minutes maximum. From the moment you go to your team and give them instructions. Now let us the complete task you within 15 minutes. Now the activity is going on. Children, did you enjoy this activity? Then we are going to assignment. What is a time management? How to lose your time? Explain. What are your goals? How can we use time management effectively? How important is time management, and mention how it relates to practical life. Shall I repeat once more? What is a time management? How to lose your time? Explains. How to lose your time? Explain. Second one, what are your goals? Then, how can we use time management effectively? How important is time management, and mention how it relates to practical life. Thank you.